Da, 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 da. Did you draw a pee-pee with the water on your cup? No! I did not. I did not. I did not. No! Totally did not. Didn't. No, I didn't. I didn't. Have you drawn a pee-pee on a dusty car? I exercise my right to remain silent. Okay, moving on. You're sounding less and less convincing. No! Come on. You're telling me that if your car's really dusty and if you would draw something, pee-pee wouldn't be your first option. What else would you draw? There's nothing as quick and efficient as drawing a pee-pee. Okay? You draw a smiley face. Drawing a smiley face, you need to lift your finger up. Drawing a pee-pee, you don't even need to do that. It's one smooth line. One stroke. Yes. Then use that word in the content. What word? Huh? Don't use stroke. You guys are disgusting! You guys are disgusting! This is all your fault. It's not my fault. Why is it my fault you have the brain in the gutter? It's not my fault. You're the one drawing pee-pee. Hey! That is an innocent act, okay? Plus, you don't even know. It might just be one big mountain in between two mountains, okay? You're the one who sees it as inappropriate. Disgusting.